Hello, today it's raining, so I'm inside. I wanted to repair X-Maxx, and I had an RC body I was working on, so I'll just spend a little time on a rainy day, rainy Saturday. And okay, let's I'll show you where I'm at. Okay, this is the new body I want to put on it. We'll have to take the pieces off of this one to finish this, but that's the plan. Wrong. Right. Start all over. Okay, well, the recording stopped somewhere. This is, I don't know where it stopped, so this is the finished product. I took the old parts off of this, and I put it on here. I painted it. There's the parts from the X-Maxx. And then I painted it yellow. I painted it black first, took the decals off. I had decals that I put on there. Then I cut the tips of them to paint red. Then I painted it all white. And then I put this frame on. And this is my final product. Thanks for watching. Okay, it's raining outside. It's raining outside, but I want to play, so I think that's what we're going to do, play in the rain. I don't think it's recording yet. Now it is. Okay, what happened? That didn't go very well. Lost the signal. the camera in a different position. See what we get for a different response. Too bad I can't put it there, huh? Let's see. We could go more to the outside there. Maybe something like that. No. How about this way?
You